What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video there you can see that's the Fosi Audio MC351 2.1 amplifier. It's a great compact amplifier. But before start the video, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel, and if you like my work, then you can donate anything to my channel. Any amount would be helpful and appreciated. And you can check my other channels too. You'll find the links in the description below. So let's start now. Here at the front you can see volume, bass, treble. That's the mode control, BTRCA, coaxial, optical, USB, everything is there. And that's the analog view meter. And at the back here you can see that's for sub out, that's for left channel, right channel, and that's for coaxial input, left right audio in, Bluetooth antenna, optical in, and that's the USB type C connection, and that's the pre-out. So this thing has the DAC inbuilt, digital to analog converter. So in this thing you get all the analog and digital input, everything, all you need. So that's why I love this amplifier, and it's a very compact in size. No power source is there inside. You gotta connect the adapter separately. You get DC 24 volt to 48 volt. If you provide it a 48 volt and 10 or 15 maybe amps, and this thing is gonna give you the maximum output of 200 watt per channel, I guess. Subwoofer would be around 300, I think, as far I can remember. So this is a huge wattage class D amplifier. So in today's video I'm gonna open this thing and gonna check what's inside of it. So to do that, here you can see at the top there's nothing, and on the side there's nothing. You gotta go through the bottom part. Here you can see four hexa screws are there. So that we need this Allen key. Let's open them. So I have removed both the panels, the bottom one and the top one. Here you can see first you gotta remove this bottom plate by removing these four hexa screws, and then after that you can see the holes right there, the bottom holes or the four corners right there. That's the one, and on this side that's the one, and here also that's the one. So you gotta remove those screws from this bottom part here by using this Allen key, and then you can remove the top panel, but also you gotta remove the screws here. You can see this red marking right there, 1 2 3, and that's the 1 4. So then you can remove this top panel, which is pretty thick and heavy, and you can see these four pillars are there, and this board is screwed to those pillars, to the top part of it, and these two small screws are there. They are mounted the another kit right there. bottom one. So that's all the output, the subwoofer out and the channel out, and these four are the coils for the output, and that's the connector for this view meter. And here, that's the top side view. You can see that's a pretty massive heatsink is right there. This is the main class D amplifier chip is under this heatsink, and two massive capacitors are there. They are valued like 50 volt and 4700 MFT, and that's the power supply part on this side. And that is the important thing of this amplifier, the DAC, digital to analog converter. All the inputs are right there, the digital and analog, all of them. And that's the volume control, the main volume control. That's the bass and the treble. And there you can see that's a push button right there. That's for mode selection. And the markings here, you can see the LED lights up at the back. Those LEDs are mounted to this green kit right there. So that's it. And if you want to remove this heatsink, you gotta remove this using the hexa key right there. So I'm not removing that thing, because if I remove that, I'm gonna use a heatsink compound, then gonna put it back. So I'm not doing that right now. As here you can see, the main board is quite big, like almost like the size of this whole amplifier, except this part, a view meter part. That's the main kit, and that's a digital part of this amplifier. So this is a pretty massive amplifier, and I'm quite impressed to watch the inside of this thing. Here you can see small chips are there. That's the preamp part of this amplifier. So yeah, that's it. This is a beast. As I told you before, you've seen this amplifier in previous videos, and I told you this is a beast. And this thing provides like 350 watt of RMS of subwoofer, and 165 or something like that per channel for 2-channel stereo. So that's it. That's all for today. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.